Advanced Guide to Afterpay Credit Card is a comprehensive tutorial designed to educate users on the features and benefits of using Afterpay Credit Card. Afterpay is a popular payment service that allows users to make purchases and pay for them in installments. To get started with Afterpay Credit Card, users need to first create an account on the Afterpay website or mobile app. The sign-up process is straightforward and requires users to provide basic personal and financial information. Once the account is created, users can browse through the list of partnered merchants and make purchases using the Afterpay credit card. One of the key concepts to understand when using Afterpay credit card is the payment schedule. Afterpay allows users to split their purchases into 4 equal installments, due every 2 weeks. Users can also choose to pay off their balance early, which can help them avoid any late fees. Practical examples of using Afterpay credit card include making online purchases, buying groceries, or paying for travel expenses. For instance, if a user wants to buy a product worth $100, they can use Afterpay to split the payment into 4 installments of $25 each, due every 2 weeks. Best practices for using Afterpay credit card include making timely payments, monitoring account activity, and keeping track of payment due dates. Users should also be aware of the late fees and interest charges that may apply if they miss a payment. It is also important to read and understand the terms and conditions of the Afterpay credit card before making any purchases. In addition to the payment features, Afterpay credit card also offers several benefits, including no interest charges, no establishment fees, and no hidden costs. Users can also earn rewards and cashback on their purchases, depending on the partnered merchant. Overall, Afterpay credit card is a convenient and flexible payment option that allows users to make purchases and pay for them in installments. By following the best practices and understanding the key concepts, users can make the most out of their Afterpay credit card and enjoy a seamless payment experience.